then I rearrange the frame. 26 is like the mirror, they rubbing up. Welcome back to the channel. This is episode 2 of the 1987 Monte Carlo Restoration. The last video, if you wasn't aware, last video we drove all the way to the suburbs to get a motor or a short block, and it basically had a plant grew through it, a tree grew through it. It sat outside so long. How you doing?
Not too bad.
Okay.
My first question, has it been sitting open like this, like all winter or something?
Yeah.
Snow, everything?
Last 2 years, I'd say, probably been here.
Yeah. Frame, not the frame. Motor's rusted up, blah, blah, blah. Episode 2, we got a short block from Facebook. I'm gonna insert the clip right here. But before I do, if you're new to the channel and you like cars, scroll down, click subscribe, leave a like. Road to 30K subscribers. Anywho, let's get to this motor. Boom. So this is what we got. A short block. What is this? A short block from what? Where'd this come from?
99 Yukon.
99 Yukon.
So Vortex roller motor. Roller lifters, roller rockers. And the heads.
Yeah.
We about to just break it down to the bare minimum and take it out, have it tanked, magna flux for cracks, and check the bore for sizing after they dip it, get some of that rust out.
Yeah. We're gonna get right to
We
that.
basically just want the block.
What's this in the front? Timing chain, belt, all that.
Yeah, we just gotta bust it. I already got the damper off. The balance is sitting right there. Lower pulley and balance.
Right there. Oh no, right there. A little bit wrong stuff. All right, y'all, we're gonna get right into it. Y'all get ready.
They keep taking K-bullets, can't move that much. Mad as hell, I hate the bitch. I do that stuff. Dog slid in this bitch car and we blew it up. They asked what hood I was from, and I threw it up. Told myself if I ever get an Audi, I'ma do it up. 30 racks for the Aero coupe and it's blue as fuck. You know a nigga getting his head peeled if he shoot at us. I'm finna move 100 pounds, let me use your truck. You ain't really hit bricks if it ain't bruise your knuckles. Had a bad bitch that look like Rudy Huxtable. Man, these ass niggas fruity pebble. I be talking to the drink, don't wanna lose each other. Nigga, that is not my bitch, we just use it. And nigga, I am not your bro just cause we went to school together.
So this the progress you got that you are seeing. We took some pistons out.
We got 4 bores clean. About to get these last 4, getting these caps off the rods. All rod bearings is good and smooth, no scars. We're gonna wait till we get the crank out and see what that look like. Dude said it had a slight knock. And that would have been one of these rod bearings, hopefully, at the crank. So we're gonna see what these last ones. Get these caps off.
Just show them what it look like there. Get the cap off. Right, turn the balancer.
Yeah.
That's the one that had the knot.
Is it?
It had to be. It got the most problems.
Yeah, it ain't bad. It's just, where is that? Oh, turn my crank.
Harmonic balancer, bro. That's how you turn the
Balance
crank.
came off. Where my key?
That's how the whole motor is pretty
This balances the crank and stuff. Okay, see that one's coming off that side.
Yeah, I was about to say. I'm going to show you how the band pretty smooth. No abrasions. This one right here. Pretty good now.
Let me see.
Feel right through the bottom. It's funny, the one we want to show you is taking all day. The rest just kind of like popped up. Oop, there we go.
Bearing look good, crank look good.
There we go.
Let's see. Want to knock them out or turn it up? Let's knock them out. Let's knock this one. Where is it at?
Ready for it to come out right there. So just see he pushing the piston through.
We're not using this again. That's why we treating it like that.
Right, 'cause we going super motor.
Going stroking. 383.
There we go.
Board 30 or 40. With a we're gonna see how many cc's for that head. See it sliding on the crank. See it?
There's number 3.
And it's not supposed to be a one piece. It's supposed to be a top piece and a bottom piece. See where it's done joined in? It's rubbed all the way through right there. Just slide. See it? I can just open it up like this. Hopefully it ain't as sharp as a razor blade though. Hopefully I can do this and just push it off, yeah. There it is. Yep, crank through right there. They could fix it though. What they would do is spray metal on it, turn it real slow and use a welder and put metal on there.
Fresh.
And then they grind it back down and keep measuring it with that one. Measure till they get them the same. Costs about $200.
Okay, so y'all can see what the good one look like? Let's see what the bad one look like.
Look at
That's
that.
the bad one.
Woo! Spun bearing, baby. A rod bearing, not a crank bearing. That's a good thing, because when this spin, it could tear your block up.
Oh, so
See, this just tore up the rod and the rod and the
you
crank.
could replace that one.
Yeah, you can get a rod if
Yeah,
this.
you could just buy.
Yeah,
you could
yeah.
just buy one instead of even doing the welder. You could
Right.
buy one.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. We about to pull this crank out.
That crank there could go right in here and be good.
And we got a whole crank
Another
right there
crank anyway, right.
So
Good.
it's not like we need.
We're not using that anyway. But
Right,
this
so
on
if y'all
scrap.
reusing y'all cranks,
It's scrap, baby. We
don't
about to
do what we
take.
just did. We got a
we about
whole
to
one.
bust the
And we
crank
found
out
another
now.
one. Ooh, 383.
Leave me there. Go on down. Put that in. Everything. So that should pop off with the so that in the box too. That's the main bearing, front main bearing.
And then hold
Where's the
on.
rag? You grabbing them on? What are you doing with the rags? You keeping them on?
No, there's one right here, one right there. Oh yeah, it's two. I had two. Yeah.
Okay, so
I
now
need something to stick right here to pull up.
where's this thing we've been using?
Yes.
How about that?
Yeah, that might work.
You need something bigger than that? Okay, bring it over to the side. Woo! We don't need it.
I was trying to say, let's get down quick, cause this is sliding right up.
That's alright.
Oh, don't try this at home. It's funny, I remember doing this to the last one.
Yep, but you will not have antifreeze from now on.
Man. That was just so goofy. That was literally the goofiest engine blow ever.
Yeah, that was unnecessary.
Unnecessary.
That did not have to happen.
Literally. And it got cold in one day. It like happened in one day.
Right. Oh, couldn't be helped. You had to run outside and pour antifreeze down in every hole on the motor.
Yeah.
Back and forth.
It's way better.
Yeah, don't see my car. You don't know me on anyway. Just the crud on the tip part that stays down in the board most of the time. You got your workout for the day.
Man.
Okay, that's it, right? Oh, you still got one right here. Woo! Let me try.
Pinch my finger in there.
Yeah, let me try that over on this side.
Twice.
No.
That was super sweet. I need more PB than anything.
Turn it. Turn it.
Yeah, that's it. They ain't moved in so long.
That's it, right?
Look at that can, man. I drove
That's
probably.
a ZZ4 can.
I probably drove all of what? 1,000 miles?
I was gonna say maybe 2,000.
I don't even think I did that much.
Right. Most
I ain't
circles.
driving for 2 months.
2,000 circles.
Yeah, it wasn't 2 months.
1,000 miles in a circle.
Right. All I did was donuts in that car. Well, got the camshaft and the crankshaft out. Heads off, everything. Oh, y'all can't really see. But y'all know y'all saw the motor boot. There it go. We about to take this to the machine shop in the morning. So, therefore, I will see y'all in the morning. Y'all ready? Let's go. Alright. Y'all see we on the way to the machine shop. Motor in the back. My pops, he at work right now, so I'm driving it. But basically, we about to drive the block. Oh shit. We about to take the block to the machine shop, get it cleaned out, Magnaflux, get everything good, make sure all the seals on the motor good, make sure the block is solid. You feel me? Cause we don't need no cracks, no leaks, no nothing in this block, cause we about to put some power to it, you feel me? I don't know why 75 traffic is that bad, bro. I literally hate I-75, bro. I'm not taking that shit on the way back to the crib. But anywho, we about to go get it all that done. It's some more shit that I don't know, or some shit that I, like some terminology I don't know, or how to say it, you know how that be. Shout out Micro Center. I need to go see them guys, for real. But, yeah. What was I talking about? Yeah, we about to pop up this machine shop just down there, the back end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed everything. And, yeah, I'll see y'all when we get here. So, in a minute. I see they got the camshaft, crankshaft, and shit. We just took out the other crankshaft. They got other shit in here. Let's see what they gonna do with mine. Pontiac right there. Got a bit, like a pop right there. Got a couple old schools right there. Sprinter van. That's a big ass head. I don't know what that goes to. Motor's out. Dropped off. So we good to go. Appreciate it. Alright, y'all. Well, that's the end of this episode. Episode 2 of the 87 Monte Restoration, man. You already know what's going on. Damn, my engine block in the machine shop. Ooh, that mean it's gonna be done next time I see it. Ooh, that mean I can just buy a couple things right now and have them put that motherfucker together in a month. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, man. Shout out to all y'all. For all my car people in the chat, man, drop your favorite old school in the comments, man. Let me know what your favorite car is. If you got an old school, let me know what you got. If you want an old school, let me know what you want. Rez1K TV. And I'm out of here, man. I'll see y'all next video. Gang. Biscuit head ass, sausage head ass, hot pocket head ass.